Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're talking about one of the most important topics of our time, the environment. Being able to discuss climate change, sustainability, and environmental action in English is increasingly important. Let's start with the key vocabulary. A carbon footprint is the total amount of greenhouse gases, especially carbon dioxide, produced by your lifestyle. Flying, driving, and eating meat all contribute to your carbon footprint. You might say, I'm trying to reduce my carbon footprint by cycling more and eating less red meat. Greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide and methane, trap heat in the atmosphere, causing global warming. This is the gradual increase in Earth's average temperature, which leads to climate change, shifts in weather patterns, rising sea levels, and more extreme weather events. One of the main solutions is switching to renewable energy, power from sources that naturally replenish, like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. Unlike fossil fuels, coal, oil, and gas, renewable sources don't run out and produce far lower emissions. You might say, I've installed solar panels, I'm generating my own electricity now. Biodiversity, the variety of species in an ecosystem, is under threat from habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change. Protecting biodiversity means protecting forests, oceans, and wildlife. On a personal level, sustainability means making choices that don't harm the environment or future generations. This might mean reducing single-use plastics, buying second-hand, composting food waste, or choosing public transport over driving. There's often debate about individual responsibility versus government and corporate action. You might argue, individuals can only do so much, we need systemic change, or every action matters, we all have a part to play. Today we covered carbon footprint, climate change, renewable energy, biodiversity, and sustainability. This is a topic worth discussing in English and in life. See you next time.